Okay, so we're going to have to do the transducer ourselves because it's too expensive. We need to look under the boat. So I've got a piece of MDF and I hope this will work. We're going to put this in selfie mode and hope it'll autofocus. That's what we're looking for. So we've got to work out a spot in between those lines on the boat and where it is compared to the bar. So there's one right on the steel bar, but it looks like we can mount right here next to the transom plate, is in between them. Perfect. That's what we're going to try this weekend.
Right now we're installing the transducer to the side of the boat.
We're adding silicone that we don't need because it's a plastic boat. And I didn't go through the transom. But this will just clog it up. That should be good, shouldn't it?
Should be sweet.
Yeah. You already got paint on your fingers, you're good.
Yeah.
Key thing here is to make sure it's not upside down. You hold it, then I'll silicone it. That way you don't. Our screwdriver's working really well. I can recommend the Bosch. Because it has a light on there, it tells it when it's flat.
Like right now.
Is it?
Yeah. Actually, I'll loosen that one up.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough power for the torque. There you go. That's right. We've got a USB charger for it. Fumble Fingers is my new nickname. Alright, so this bit here, we put the mounting bracket on. Lowrance are really cheap and they make you screw it on. No reason for that. They could have shipped it with it all pre-screwed on. A finishing touch goes in there. So, how does that bracket look?
You have to eye it up so we can adjust it.
Yeah, eye it up and see if it's level, Ashley. So we'll hand tighten that up. With help from my mate Vince, we have now got the power cables attached to our battery. Didn't bring the fish finder, so I hope it works when I plug it in tomorrow.
So we're just seeing if the transducer is parallel with the boat and the sea.
It looks pretty good here. It's whether it needs to be tweaked up or down a fraction.
Yeah. On this side.
So there's the boat curving at the bottom.
To get this on, you want to be right on that bloody ridge under the...
On the strake here. Yeah. Actually, the fish finder's in the car garage. Yeah, we can try it out. Because if it's not wired properly, not going to be good.
Plugged in the Lowrance Elite Tie 7 fish finder. And we started the demo for it.
Doesn't look like a demo's running.
It's sort of moving.
3D view.
We're just testing
Nice.
out what it
So that's like
does.
when you're driving on the map. We're going to have to spend a lot of time learning how to use this. So this is our touchscreen menu. Sonar, charting, structure. So that's how the structure is going to look for the side scan. So best way to explain it, if you're going down a river and you're the boat in the middle of the river, those are the two sides of the riverbed. So you can see where the eels are hiding, everything under the rocks. Okay, so we got it out there and it was going really well. We're getting pretty nice readings. Joel was happy. Excellent.